Hello YouTube and hello Twitch. Just need to fix some issue with the audio. Okay. So welcome to this new WebDev session on my web application StoreMyDocs. So I'm currently working on this user story automatic categorization, and more specifically on categorization based on file content support for PDF, because I finished since the last time working on the text file content. So this one is working. And if I have a look at the history here, maybe I can push also all my modification. Okay, I will do that later. Yeah, the last thing I was doing was to fix the order of the message happening when you do run all. So this is fixed. Here you can see it's real. There is only one and very fast rule, so you only see the message about downloading some of the files, which is quite fast also, but I guess there is some delay. And in order to fix the order of the messages, what I did was to make the script. Well, I did two things. So let's see. If I go back to my rule service is there. So here you can see I'm iterating over all the rules, and for each rule I'm running the script. What I changed here, I changed from a merge map to a concat map. I guess that's what I had before. Well, I guess what I had before was a simple for each. We can see that here. Where is it? Oh, not here. Sorry. Here. Yeah. Before I was iterating over a simple array. So it was done synchronously. And what I did, I made this run asynchronous, which means that I have to do some kind of merge map, and here I'm doing a concat map, because concat map is different in a good way for me, because it will ensure that the result is done in the same order than the input. If you have a look at merge map, you can see that the order of the result is not the same. And so what happened in some of my tests is that I got the 3 inputs in the beginning, and then I got all the output later. So I was running. There was no order guarantee in what I did. And here I'm doing a find which will stop running the script once we get a true result. And then I'm doing maybe I could improve that. Oh no, I cannot. Yeah. Then when I got the results, I'm just filling the map like before. And then I have to ensure that I'm only getting the last value. Otherwise I will, well, the goal of this function is to compute the file to category map. So what I need to do in the end is to return only one value, which is the file to category map. That's why I have to limit this to one value with last. Okay, so it was a bit complex, and that's not all, because I'm doing this script here with a web worker now. So I have a worker like this, yeah, which is a web worker, and the web worker is implemented here. So it's doing the same as before, but now I have a standalone script to run this. The web worker is a bit special because there is a special config in Angular for this. And now I'm working on PDF content, so I already have my test ready. Yeah, I have my test ready here. I have a dummy PDF, which is here for now. This is a dummy PDF. Or maybe, yeah, I will change the test so that I can have to change this because the dummy PDF content, if you are looking for sample PDF, yes, that was my search, you have a dummy PDF here. I could have created my own, but this one is fine. And it's from W3. So that's good. Okay, so let's change the name from the test I was copying this. Let's call everything dummy. Dummy category ID. Not. So it means that I have to change this also. Why not? It's a bit verbose, but yeah, why not? Dummy. Everything is dummy. Good. So currently it's not working for different reasons. Here the main reason, well, I don't know about this reason, but I will first fix something else, which is Here, dummy PDF blob is empty because the file is not found. And to make this work, I was looking at this. I have to add the file like this in the karma conf. Do I have a... Yes, I have. Maybe I can add this file here. Could be better to have another example. Code binary file Angular test. So there is also... So this is already about Angular. Yeah, I still have my doubts. I guess I could be doing something like this, which means I will see. Because I don't want to keep this file here because we may be mistaken thinking that it's a production file, so that I will move it somewhere else. But it's easier to start here. Because the path is only dot slash. And yes, it's working. No, it's not. Okay, I was looking at the file here. No, it's not working. Then I will try what they were saying. It was a recent question also. Maybe it's a problem with the path. I don't know. I can try something else. Like this. Where do I have to put this? Okay, why not? I will add this at the end then. No. Files. src app rules dummy.pdf. I forgot something. Forgot to change the path again to this. So no, it's not working. It may be a problem of URL. URL. There is an open source project base SRC. Okay. and the file, the karma conf file is okay. That's interesting. I don't know what this base is, but they are using it, so maybe it's useful. No, and if I remove the base, I can also try. Oh, maybe I have to restart the karma server. I may have forgotten to do this. So let's try again. Oh, it's working. Okay. Let's try something else then. Okay. So this is working. I want to see if I can solve this from a different way. Well, I want to restart the karma server because when I'm updating the configuration, I prefer to. Okay. So indeed, I have to do something like this. And here I will remove this. So I still have a problem because there is a place where I'm calling the tick function and it's saying that it's not in the fake async zone. So I have this fake async wrapper here. But the problem is because I'm using await where I'm using await here. In fact, what happens, the rest, the reminder, no, well, the next instructions are no longer inside this fake async zone. It's something that can be a bit difficult to understand. But it's just the way await is working. So I'm not sure how to do this because I could be doing something like don't know how to do this. I'll try something. I don't think it will work. And let's start with by doing this. Normally my test will fail by saying something like okay, it's not exactly what I expected. What I was expecting was an error about a timeout or something like this. So yes, well, okay. I will get this timeout later on because I first need to support the PDF content. Okay, so let's start with this. I will fix the reminder of the test later. Because I prefer to work on something which will actually be useful now, because then you can see exactly that what you are doing is useful. Otherwise, you will be working blindly. I don't think I can say that. Okay, so support of PDF. It will start by this. Yes, because I want to download the file content. So let's do this normally. Okay, I have to reconnect to the application because every time I'm doing an update on the production files, it will update the preview on the left, and in this case I was no longer logged in. So now I'm downloading the file, but the content of the file will be cryptic. It's a binary file. So if we have a look, let's have a look here. I want to see the file content. Was I debugging? I'm not sure anymore. So it seems that I'm not even reaching this part, so it's worth investigating. Rules. So I do have a rule. Then, and I do have the file content. So yes, you can see here the file content is 12,000 length of characters, which is too cryptic for for this kind of script. Yeah, I cannot do something like file content start with this. Okay, so it's strange because I'm not reaching this part here. So what could be the reason? Let's have a look at a different point. Maybe I have to fix this kind of things first. Oh, I see, actually. So what happens is... Okay, my bad. I'm actually reaching this part, but my mock was not correct. Because of what? Because I forgot this. Yes, okay. I forgot a single character, so let's try again. I want to see if I can reach this timeout as I was talking about. No. Oh. Okay, so apparently maybe I don't need the tick method. Here what I see is what I would expect because of the fact that I'm not supporting the PDF, the conversion. Well, I'm not supporting PDF file content. And so what happens is that the rule I have here is never returning true, even though the file dummy PDF starts with dummy. Okay, let's try to fix this. Angular read PDF. Okay, convert PDF to text. Okay, so that's one way. It's on GitHub, so that's good. Can I have a look at the GitHub repository? And it's still maintained, so I guess from Mozilla, so I can just stop looking for alternative. This one will be good. Do they provide a way to include this in with Angular? That would be good. npm. Okay, this one should be good. Can I have the link to to the npm. The name again, npm.js. I'm just curious because there is this dist suffix. So I wonder why. It seems to be the only package I have to worry about. Okay. So let's use this. Okay. No, if I want to use this. Checking if, because for me one solution would be to have some kind of URL provided by Mozilla to conditionally use this tool based on the needs, but I prefer anyway to have it included with npm. So usage example seems to be here. Get document. So let's start with get document. There is two possibilities. One of them is it's either I can work with the blob or I have to work with the string content, but there is a good chance that I can work with the blob in some way. Array buffer. Array. Maybe a stream? No. I'm just looking for a way to convert this blob. Array. Ah, I have an array buffer. Okay, I see. Let me check again. Yes, array buffer is okay. How can I do this? I want to separate this. Oh, I know. If file dot main type equals application slash PDF. In this case, what I have to do is return a from promise of blob content dot array buffer, then value get, because I guess I will also have a promise, but I'm not sure about this. Dot promise, okay. Doc. Okay, I see. Dot promise, then how do I get the content? Metadata page. Okay, maybe I have to do it on each page. Okay. Prefer to rename the variable to something a bit more meaningful. Get data, no. So I know I can do a get page, but maybe there is a way to page 0. Then first page. Get text content. Then text content dot. Okay, I see. I'm doing something which may work for my purpose. I don't know. I'm just trying to do something and I will see what happens. And, okay, let's see. The top level await experiment is not enabled. What is this? Oh, is it saying the same? Apparently, yes. I want to know what is this? It's quite recent. Let's see something else. PDF, JS, Angular. Okay, maybe this will be better to use this one. And from what I see, yes, it's quite no. That's not what I want actually. This one is for viewing, and I don't want to view. I just want to extract. Okay, but from what I see, maybe I should still be using this because this will support what I want to do. So let's try again with this module. Package JSON, I want to remove that's unusual because the viewer that I'm trying to use is using a more recent version of Angular. I don't want to use this version yet because of ngMux. Okay. Apparently ngMux is now supporting Angular 17, so yeah, I have the choice. Okay, the version 17 is quite recent, but I want to first start with the version 16. So npm install specific version. Okay. At 16. Okay, this way it's working. And later I will change to the version 17. This is something which is already planned when I will do the next release. And I forgot that I have to change the way I'm fetching all of this. So let's see how I need to Okay, I need to add the module apparently to my component here. Import. Okay. And does it allow me to fetch some kind of service? Or... Oh, I see. There is this component. Load PDF. So do I have access to this PDF.js? No. So I have some doubts about dynamic. What is dynamic here? I see. The problem is for this module they are using this component, and so yeah, it's nice, but that's not what I want. Okay. So maybe I can also do this? I don't know. Document. So yeah, what they are doing is the same as what I was doing. Okay, I will try again to do this. Then I have the same problem, so I don't know if I need this, because it seems that like I don't need it, so maybe I will be using what they say here. Sorry. So normally I'm back. Just need to check this quickly. At least I will check this on YouTube. So I am back. Can I see myself on YouTube? Yes. So I had a crash. I guess it's related to my graphic card. I don't know. But I had several crash this week. Maybe this is the third time this week. So I will investigate if I can find a solution on this crash. So, and because you if I investigate on this crash, you cannot see because I'm only showing the content of VirtualBox, and if the crash is happening with my graphic card, then this is outside the scope of VirtualBox, which means that I will stop the stream sooner than expected, well, way sooner, because I want to deal with this crash. I will see if I find the solution. Well, I have to find a solution. So let's see. I will continue streaming next week on Monday. Because I will be doing a game dev session, and the next web dev session will be on Thursday. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.